Want to start sharing videos on YouTube? Creating a channel only takes a few steps. In this video, I will walk you through each step to launch your own YouTube channel. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now, if you do not have your Gmail account, you first of all have to create one. For that, follow the on screen prompts, enter the details such as first name, date of birth, then select your email address, and then click on the next option. Once your Gmail account has been created, you want to head over to youtube.com. Now click on the sign in option. Select the Gmail account that you have just created, enter your password, then click on next. Once you have been signed in, click on the profile icon. Here you will see that your default channel is already created. Now, if you want to create another channel, you want to click on the profile icon, then select settings. Here, click on add or manage your channels option. Click on create a channel. Now simply name your channel, then enter your handle. After that, click on the create channel option. As you can see, your new channel has been successfully created. Now you can start uploading your videos over here. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.